and welcome back to my channel. In a few days, I am going to be going to Disney World, which I am so excited about. Obviously, I need to get some packing done before I go on this trip. So I thought that it would be fun for me to take you guys along with me while I pack for my vacation. While I'm doing that, I also wanted to give you guys the ultimate Disney World packing list for your Disney World, Disneyland vacations, anything Disney themed. I'm going to show you guys some outfit ideas that you can use, things that you need at your hotel, toiletries that you may forget, and just how to keep your luggage more organized. So in the past, I have made a Disney World pack with me video. I'm going to pop it up on the screen and show you guys that. So if you do want to check out that video, definitely go check it out. I have it linked up at the top. In that video, I kind of just pack for my trip, but I don't really tell you guys in detail how to pack. So in this video, I'm gonna go more in depth on how to pack specifically for a Disney trip. So without further ado, let's get right into it. For any Disney trip, I would definitely recommend packing really comfy clothes, stuff that you will feel comfortable with walking throughout the entire day, because walking really does make up 90% of your day. So you really want to make sure that you're not like wearing something that is so uncomfortable to the point where you're not even having any fun. Personally, I love to bring like workout gear, especially like Lululemon stuff. Another thing that I would say is that personally, I love to kind of dress up when I go to the parks. I have a lot of fun coordinating my outfits with what is going on in the parks at the time. So for example, Epcot currently is doing their Festival of the Arts, which they host every single year, but I just wanted to kind of preface that my outfits, while I do like to be comfy and casual, I also love to at least have one or two outfits that are a little bit more dressy where I can take pictures when I'm at the parks. Okay, so I'm gonna pack all of my outfits, and while I'm packing them, I'm gonna kind of discuss what my recommendations would be for outfits. Since we're talking about clothes, I'm going to pop up a little packing checklist that you guys can use while you're packing for your Disney vacation, just to simplify everything and lay everything out. So if I miss something, you can refer to this list. With a place like Disney World, at least, it probably doesn't apply for Disneyland, but for Disney World it does. The weather is so unpredictable to the point where it's so hard to pack, because you don't want to pack stuff that's too heavy to where you're literally suffocating during the day, but you don't want to be like cold, because it does get kind of colder at night. Here are my tips. So for my first outfit that I'm just going to pop up on the screen, I have this little white turtleneck with some black Lululemon leggings and a little pink blazer. It's really light from Shein. While I really like this outfit, I'm scared that it's going to be kind of hot, especially throughout the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring a pair of just black biker shorts, and then if I wake up and it's really hot, or I check the weather and it's going to be super hot throughout the entire day, I'll just scratch the leggings idea and wear biker shorts, which is something that I do very often. But you can always bring your leggings with you in your backpack to the park, so at night if it gets really cold, you can swap into those in the bathroom or something. I have done that in the past many times and it works really well. That's how I kind of incorporate some of the things that I ordered that are long sleeves or long pants whenever it's really hot outside. While I'm doing this, I'm putting this in my suitcase, so like that's what's like right here. It's just I couldn't angle the camera right. So my next outfit is for Epcot's Festival of the Arts, which I'm super excited to go to. So I just have this collar top from Shein that's like pretty pastel rainbow colors, and then I have white paper bag shorts from Abercrombie, and then my favorite part is my beret that I got from Shein for like $2, and it's so cute, and I feel like the pinks match so perfectly on the outfit. So that one's definitely one of my favorite outfits. So the next outfit I have is like a cozy Lululemon outfit that I told you that I love to bring for all of my Disney trips. So this is just a orange, kind of pinky coral tank top from Lululemon, and then a white Lululemon skirt with the black scuba hoodie. I really like this outfit because if it gets cold at night, I can always add my hoodie on top of it, but if it's really hot during the day, then I can just wear the tank top and the skirt. And my last outfit, I'm just going to be wearing some black biker shorts with a Walt Disney World yellow hoodie. I'm not sure if this one's going to end up working out, but I'm just packing it on the side. If that doesn't work out, then I also have this extra athletic wear outfit that is just a blue tank top from Shein, leopard shorts from Altered State, and then my white Lululemon jacket. I would definitely recommend for like a 4 to 5 day trip, make sure that you're packing like 6 outfits. Like just have one extra really lightweight outfit that you could wear just in case you wake up and it's really hot or you just don't feel like dressing up. I know some days I wake up at Disney and I'm like, you know what, the outfit that I originally intended to wear, I just don't feel like wearing. So I would definitely recommend just packing one more outfit than the number of days that you're there. Also, another thing that I would recommend is just bringing some basic t-shirts and shorts that aren't necessarily your pajamas, but they're clothes that you want to wear after you're done with the parks or you're just hanging out at your resort. It's just really nice to have some extra shirts than not having anything at all and you just have to keep wearing what you wore all day in the parks. The next thing on my packing list is just a swimsuit. Always just bring one swimsuit. I know sometimes you don't think that you're gonna go to the pool, but sometimes when you get to your resort, especially Disney resorts, you get there and you're like, man, that pool looks really fun. So I would just recommend bringing one swimsuit because you never know how you're gonna feel. Also make sure to pack extra socks, not just like normal socks, but you can bring like fuzzy socks and stuff because I know like most people don't feel like walking around in a dirty hotel room with their bare feet. It can get kind of nasty, so I would recommend bringing extra socks that you don't wear in the parks but you can just wear in your room. Make sure that you pack extra t-shirts or pajama shirts, and then these, I just bring 2 extra pairs of shorts. That's all that I normally bring for clothing. So I'm gonna pack all this and organize it in my suitcase, and then we will move on to toiletries and accessories that you need. So now I'm going to be getting into some accessories that you can use on your Disney trip. By accessories, I mean Mickey ears, hair accessories, hair clips, claw clips, jewelry, just stuff that enhances your outfits that I feel like a lot of people forget sometimes. Before I begin, I'm going to pop up my little checklist right here, just in case I forget something or if I don't normally pack something, you can have everything in that one little list that you can check off before you go. First thing I'm going to be talking about is Mickey ears. I mean, these are a necessity for any Disney trip. If you are looking into buying a pair of Mickey ears, my biggest recommendation would be the black and white polka dot ones. These match any outfit that you could wear, any color, or you could also go with the red and white classic polka dot Mickey ears. I wear these a lot as well. One of my favorites that they don't sell anymore but they sold in the past are these really pretty sparkly ears. They're so pretty. They have like pink and green and blue and white sparkles, and these were the 2020 ears, so they don't sell them anymore. I got them a few years back, but they also kind of match well with more dark colors. And then you saw my little hot pink blazer outfit, and I really want to match the pink and white sparkly mini ears. Another thing that I always bring are claw clips. I would definitely recommend bringing claw clips if you're into that. Another accessory that I really like are little hair clips. So basically what I do is I do 2 braids down the front, and then I'll just put 3 or 4 hair clips. So these are from Shein. These are my favorite things to wear in my hair, so that's a fun accessory. Then for jewelry, normally with jewelry I go really simple and light, and I just bring like 3 or 4 necklaces, but I have some gold chains. I just bring like a simple gold chain. This one has a K on it in the front, and then I have a very little K necklace, just stuff that I can change out. And then for earrings, I would recommend just simple earrings. I bring gold hoops. You can bring pearls, studs, little rhinestones. Probably just gonna end up bringing these and then some other hoops that I find, like 2 or 3 pairs, just so I can change them out. Other things with accessories that you definitely don't want to forget. Definitely don't forget your magic band if you're going to be using those to get into the parks. If you don't have a card or a paper ticket or anything like that, and keep them with you at all times. That's a big accessory for Disney World trips. Now I'm going to be moving on to common toiletries that you need for basically any vacation this could apply to. Here is my checklist for all your toiletries, and now let's get started. So I use this Vera Bradley organizer thing that has a hanger, which is super nice. You can hang this up in the bathroom whenever you get to where you're going. First up, we have a hairbrush. I also bring a comb, kind of like this, just in case my part gets messed up. For things that I use every day, I would recommend going through your shower routine or your skincare routine and just like pulling out your products from your bathroom as you're going through it in your head. That way you won't forget anything, because if you just start pulling things out of your bathroom and grabbing whatever you see, you could end up forgetting something. First off is face wash, and then I have some moisturizer that I use. I got these in travel sizes because they're just so much easier to carry. I've been using this moisture mask every single night, and it's been doing really well just to keep my skin moisturized all the time. So I'm going to pack that in a travel size as well. Then I have an eyelash serum that I've been using. Then I have a hair mask. This is the Florence hair mask. Also, on the topic of hair, I have my wax stick from Amazon that I use if I'm doing like a slick back hairstyle. Then I have my headband when I pull my hair back to wash my face and stuff. I also have my makeup remover, but I have this travel size bottle that I normally just pour into and fill so I don't have to lug around this giant thing. Don't forget makeup wipes or your micellar water. I know girls use that too. And then cotton balls for your makeup remover. I forgot my razor, but don't forget a razor and a toothbrush. And obviously, don't forget your makeup. I would recommend putting your makeup in just one simple bag so everything's together and organized. Don't forget your straightener if you straighten your hair, your curling iron if you curl your hair, and also heat protectant, hairspray, things like that. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is what shoes you should bring on your Disney vacation. The first thing is obviously bring a good pair of tennis shoes or running shoes, whatever you normally wear. Don't bring brand new shoes to break into in the parks. You will regret it whenever you have 45 blisters on your feet. You can either bring some, like, these are running Lululemon shoes, or the more fashionable Air Maxes. I normally bring both. Another pair of shoes I would recommend bringing are Crocs. They can get wet if it starts raining, if you want to wear them to the pool and then wear them home whenever your feet are wet after. They're just so nice and they're so useful for so many different purposes. So you should definitely get Crocs. Or if you don't own Crocs, make sure you bring a pair of like sandals or flip-flops that you could wear just around the resort, or if you're going to the pool or stuff like that and you don't feel like putting on socks and tennis shoes. That's my biggest recommendation for shoes for you guys. The next thing that I'm going to be talking about is what you should bring in your backpack or your carry-on bag, the thing that is always with you at all times throughout your vacation. So if you're going to the park for a little bit of time, or if like you're not worried about bringing a lot of drinks or food or snacks, I would recommend bringing a small belt bag in order to keep all of your stuff in throughout the day. It's just so compact and it's able to bring everything you really need, and it's not heavy. Inside the belt bag, I would recommend bringing some Tic Tacs or mint. Also, I would recommend bringing some sort of chapstick or lip balm because your lips can get dry or sunburnt. So this one has extra sunscreen in it. Definitely bring ibuprofen. You never know whenever you'll get a headache. Bring tissues just in case. And Band-Aids also is a very big one. I mean, you could fall or something. Don't forget like your credit card, any Disney gift cards you may have, money, stuff like that. Then also, I would recommend kind of looking into buying a portable fan. This is rechargeable with an iPhone charger. You just kind of like plug it in on the side. This is the Version Tech fan from Amazon. Then I would recommend packing your AirPods, your headphones, not necessarily for the park, but for whenever you're traveling there. You never want to forget your AirPods. Also, for your backpack, don't forget to pack all of your chargers. I would recommend keeping everything in one little pouch. That way you don't get things mixed up or you don't forget them. So personally, I bring a belt bag into the parks, but I do bring a small backpack in the car with me because I just have a lot more stuff that doesn't necessarily fit in a belt bag. While I'm traveling, I'll normally put my belt bag inside of this backpack so everything's in one, but I can take out the belt bag whenever I get there. Another thing that I have in here is, don't forget a poncho. That is really necessary, especially whenever you don't know if it's going to be raining or not. A big one is a portable charger. You need a portable charger no matter what. You can also bring some hand sanitizer. This one's pretty bulky. It's the Winter Candy Apple hand sanitizer. You can bring the smaller version like this. It's just easier to bring around. Another thing is scissors. I always find myself needing scissors if I buy something and I want to cut the tag off and there's not necessarily scissors everywhere, so that's something else you can bring as well. Also, I know this is kind of self-explanatory, but don't forget your phone, don't forget your Apple Watch, your AirPods, your computer if you need it. Another thing that I would recommend is bringing a blanket. I know people get like cold on like airplanes or cars, so make sure you bring some sort of blanket, even if it's just small. So thank you guys so much for watching my ultimate Disney trip trip packing list video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really hope that this video will help you guys out whenever you're planning for your vacations or getting ready for your vacations. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post new content just like this every single week, so you should definitely subscribe so that you don't miss out on that. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye! Crocs.